Lebanon's history is long and complex, and can be traced back thousands of years. Here is a brief overview of some of the key events and periods in Lebanon's history. Ancient history. Lebanon was inhabited by various tribes and city-states in ancient times, including the Phoenicians, who established a powerful trading empire in the eastern Mediterranean. The Phoenicians were known for their seafaring skills, and they founded many important cities, including Byblos, Sidon, and Tyre. Classical period. Lebanon was conquered by Alexander the Great in 332 BC, and later became part of the Roman Empire. During this time, Lebanon was a prosperous center of trade and culture, and many important buildings and monuments were built, including the Temple of Bacchus and the Temple of Jupiter in Baalbek. Islamic conquest. In the 7th century AD, Lebanon was conquered by Muslim armies and became part of the Islamic Caliphate. During the following centuries, Lebanon was ruled by various Muslim dynasties, including the Umayyads, Abbasids, and Fatimids. Despite this, Lebanon remained a diverse and cosmopolitan society, with significant Christian and Jewish populations. Ottoman rule. In the 16th century, Lebanon came under Ottoman rule and was administered as part of the province of Syria. During this time, Lebanon experienced a period of relative stability and prosperity, with many important buildings and infrastructure projects being constructed. However, the Ottomans also imposed heavy taxes and restrictions on the population, which led to occasional uprisings and rebellions. French Mandate. Following the collapse of the Ottoman Empire after World War I, Lebanon was placed under French Mandate. The French established a system of government that favored the Christian population and marginalized the Muslim population, which led to growing tensions and periodic outbreaks of violence. Independence and Civil War. Lebanon gained independence from France in 1943, but continued to experience political instability and sectarian tensions. In 1975, a civil war broke out between various factions, including Christians, Muslims, and Palestinian refugees. The war lasted for 15 years and resulted in the deaths of an estimated 120,000 people. It also caused significant damage to Lebanon's infrastructure and economy. Post-war reconstruction. Following the end of the Civil War in 1990, Lebanon began a process of reconstruction and political reform. However, the country continued to experience periodic outbreaks of violence and political instability, including the 2006 war between Israel and Hezbollah. Today, Lebanon remains a complex and diverse society, with a mix of Christian and Muslim populations and a history of political and sectarian tensions. The country continues to face significant challenges, including economic hardship, political corruption, and regional instability.